Introducing US Pool Supply's plastic skimmer replacement baskets, set of 2. The baskets are easy to install. Simply remove the skimmer lid and place the basket into the skimmer. It fits most standard size skimmers. Our baskets help capture debris before it clogs up your pool's pump and filters, so your filtering system needs less servicing. Our baskets feature a built-in handle for easy installation and removal from your pool. Made out of a chemical-resistant firm plastic and built with a solid mesh design, it fits most standard-size pool skimmers. Make a splash today with US Pool Supply. Thanks for visiting US Pool Supply. Hit that like button and please consider subscribing to our channel.